Hi, I'm Justin Labato with Autogeek.com, and as you know, Autogeek is one of the top distributors for auto detail and supplies, and that's for both professionals, enthusiasts, and DIY. As a professional detailer, you already know your supply list is endless. You've got chemicals, brushes, pads, towels, all sorts of things. But there's a laundry list of tools you need to help manage the business side of what you do as well. Most techs either work off traditional pen and paper or have a cluster of disjointed softwares that make scheduling, invoicing, and collecting payments an inconvenience to their day. If you could consolidate all of those administrative pieces into one tool and each of those steps flowed into the next, you could have and save hours in your day-to-day process. Bringing a tool like MobileTech RX into your business will do just that. Let's take a look at some of the features and how it can make your work easier so you can do more of what you do best. MobileTech RX is an all-in-one business management solution made for auto recon techs by auto recon techs. Its slick design makes it easy to pick up and learn without a huge learning curve, so you can spend more time detailing and less time trying to figure out new software. MobileTech RX can help you write estimates, invoices, manage your clients, send automated alerts, schedule appointments, and so much more. So why MobileTech RX? It makes your business look clean and professional as the vehicles you work with. A lot of the industry pros are still using pen and paper and quoting prices off the top of their head. But as a professional and a business owner, you're already wearing a lot of hats. And the MobileTech RX tool can wear a lot of those hats for you. They can actually take care of your billing, client follow-ups, and even help you upcharge in services where you might not be charging for right now. MobileTech RX saves you time while making you more money. So let me go ahead and show you some of the features that it has to offer. You have professional invoicing and estimates. You have photo documentation. Text alerts, VIN scanning, payment processing, deposits on estimates, and advanced reporting. When you take each of these individual steps and consolidate them into a single tool like MobileTech RX, you'll find a lot of extra time in your day to grow your business in the direction you want to grow. So for information about a free trial, check out the link that we have posted on this video.